Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make cells bigger in Excel spreadsheet. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make the cells bigger. At first, select the cell. Now I am click and drag on our mouse to select the cell. Then go to the home menu, select the format drop down menu. We can see here the cell size. You can increase the row size or the column. Now I am select the row height option. Then write my row height. Now I am write 20. Then press enter. We can see we change the row height. Go back again and select the column wide option. Then select the column wide and write 20. Then press enter. Now we can see we make the cell bigger in Excel spreadsheet very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.